Are you also a business owner who receive a lot of leads through Google Ads? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand that how you can get instant Slack alerts for the new lead received through your Google Ads. So here if you wish to learn about this process step by step, then follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand that how you can get instant alerts on your Slack channel for the new lead received through your Google Ads. So here on the screen you can see my Google Ads account where I've drafted a test campaign. And here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my Google Ad, then instantly my team should receive an alert message on our Slack channel with all the lead details. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Ads with my Slack account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate different application, you need to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, but here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. And there it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So here we are going to give a name to our workflow that says get Google Ads notification in Slack instantly. And now here it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automation. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm receiving new leads through my Google Ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Google Ads and my app event as new lead form entry. Then we're going to click on this connect, and here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and here I've drafted a test campaign under which I'm going to create a test lead form because I want to make a test form submission over here to set up this entire automation. But if you're running live Google Ads, then you can add the webhook in that ad as well. Alright, so let's move forward. Here we're going to create a test lead form. So for that, I'm going to add my business name as ABC Company. Then we're going to scroll a little down. Here this description is not required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the questions, I'm going to select some relevant questions such as name. For the name, I'm going to select first name and last name separately. Here I'm going to select email, phone number. You can select city, zip code, state and some other details as well. I'm going to select only 3 required details. Then we're going to scroll a little down. Here for the work information, I'm going to select company name. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here on the right side, you can see the preview of the form that I've created by selecting the required questions over here. Then we are going to scroll a little down, and here you can see the option of lead delivery over here, under which you can see webhook integration. So as you all know that we are going to use a webhook URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So here for the webhook URL field, I'm going to add the URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the key, I'm going to give a random name that is test. And now here after adding the webhook URL and the key name, I'm going to click on the send test data. So by clicking on the send test data, I'm going to receive a test response for all these fields on my webhook URL. That means on my Pabbly's workflow. And using those details, I'm going to set up this automation further. Alright, so I'm going to click on the send test data, and you can see it says test data set. That means we have successfully sent some dummy lead details on this webhook URL. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received the company name value as company name. Here you can see a random phone number, random email address, last name value as last name, and first name value as first name only. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically and instantly I want to alert my team about the new lead received through my Google Ads. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Slack and my app event as send channel message. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Slack account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Slack. And here to connect the application, it says enter the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find out how to get it. So by clicking on this learn more hyperlink, it will take you to a forum window where you can see the entire documentation to how to get your token type. Alright, so for now I'm going to use my token type as user, and then I'm going to click on this save. And then here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because I was already logged in my Slack account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Slack account, or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for your account credentials first. And once you're going to add the details, then automatically your account will get connected inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the channel ID. So here I've already shown you that I have my channel with the name sales team. So I'm going to select that particular channel over here. So this is my channel, and here it is asking me to add the message. So in this message field, I need to add the message that I want to send to my team whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Google Ads. So let me add that message. And here you can see I have successfully added a message where I have added the details as lead name, email and the phone number. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means that I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Here for the email address, I'm going to map the random email address and a dummy phone number for this phone number. And now here, after entering all the required details, we are going to move forward. Here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave all of them blank. Then it is asking auto expand links. So for that, I'm going to select true, link usernames and channel names true, reply broadcast false, and here this thread message ID is not required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent alert message on our Slack channel for the new lead received through our Google Ads. So let's go and check it, and here you can see we have successfully received a new message where we have received new Google Ads update. Here you can see the lead name, email address and the phone number. Then it says stay on top of leads instantly without logging into Ads Manager. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Google Ads and our action as Slack, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically and instantly alert message will be sent to my team on our Slack channel with the lead details. Alright, so these were the steps to how to get Google Ads notification in Slack instantly. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know that what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.